Welcome, folks, to another Josh Burke video of an unboxing and a preview of a new product. Today, we will be showing you the Echo Show 5, which I purchased for $45.99 on the Black Friday price. I actually purchased it for about $50.99, including the Blink Home Mini, which is a very useful camera that connects to the Echo Show 5. And here, we will start to unbox it. We first had to cut the little slip, and then once we cut the little slip, we can take the top off. And now we're going to show you what is inside the box. So as we open the box, you can tell we have the first thing that we see is the Echo Show 5, the actual device. It is a 5.5 inch screen, that is why we call it the Echo Show 5. Here we have the speaker on the back, the two holes, and now we're just going to set that aside. Next we have this little black thing with the two little white pieces of instructions that talk about the Echo Show 5. This one just tells you how to plug it in, the basic details, and then the next piece of paper will basically tell us what we can do with it and what it can do. Now, underneath this box, we have the charger, which is very good. I really like it because it is not detachable, which I know most people like it to be detachable. However, I like it when it is not detachable. And now the charger has the Amazon logo on it. We need to take off the plastic in order for us to be able to use the charger and unfold it and then be able to plug it in. It actually has a very big, long range amount of distance to be able to use the charger, and I think that is very good. Now here, we are going to plug it in to the actual device. Now, as we take off the wrapping, you may be able to see that it's a clear, crisp screen. And now, we have the button on the left is the mute button. The second two are the lower volume and raised volume. And then the other one is the camera. As you can see, when we flip it to the right, the actual camera turns white, meaning it is actually physically being covered. Now, the back is a mesh speaker fabric. I think it is very nice to feel. It is quite satisfying. On the bottom, we have this little thing to make sure it doesn't slip. The little hole in the bottom is if you wanted to buy a stand for the Echo Show 5, which would hold it basically, and that you can rotate it and turn it like a full 180 degrees. And now we are going to plug in the cord to the Echo Show 5, and you will see what happens. And we are doing the first time setup, so as you can see, it is preparing itself, speaking different languages, getting your device online. And here we are going to connect it to our public Wi-Fi. As you can see, we are going to connect it to the first Wi-Fi. And we are going to have to cover the camera for security reasons because I do not want all of you guys to know the password to the Wi-Fi. However, I will say this. It does rhyme with Josh is handsome. Now, once the device is actually connecting, we will see it is fetching the registration status, and then now it has us log in to an Amazon account. I click back just to see what happens, and we will go back to the network page. So then, once again, we will go back to the front and go log into our Amazon account. Now, once we log in, it'll say welcome and then our name. Continuing on, we have a loading screen, then we get to choose our time zone. And I scroll down just to look at the time zones, but we will click our specific time zone. And then we pick where the Echo Show 5 is. So the Echo Show 5 is actually in my room. Therefore, I'm going to title it Josh's Echo Show 5. Here is going to give us a quick video tutorial on what the Echo Show 5 is in the start video. I will allow the sound for this so that you guys can actually hear what it talks about.
Hi, we're glad you're here. It's time to get you and your Echo Show 5 off and running. Here are 3 things to try first. Number 1, use your voice. You could say something like, Alexa, play happy music.
Okay, here's a station you might like. 80s pop on Amazon Music.
Number 2, try using the touchscreen. Number 3, choose your perfect clock face. To get started, say, Alexa, customize my clock. This is just the beginning of things you can do with your Echo Show 5. For more things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? Welcome to your new Echo Show 5.
Now, once we finish the video, it will give us plenty of options to choose for monthly services from Amazon. I would suggest selecting no because I believe that these are very expensive and will lead to a downside and waste of money. Now, once we click no, it says almost done, and it will keep loading until it gives us the next option to choose from. And here we have it all set up. It is perfect, and I did not touch anything, just for the record. So now we are going to go see what happens. We are going to press the buttons. Now we're going to slide the camera across, and we notice that it says camera shutter closed, so it actually acknowledges when the camera is shut off. Now I'm feeling around, wondering what I do, because this is my first time ever using it, and I've never used it before. Here on the top we have the home button, the brightness levels, the do not disturb button, and then the settings. And then we have a little notification that tells us we can swipe left and right and all of that. Now here are the settings, and the settings consists of multiple different things. We have accessibility, legal and communication, home and clock, which is where we can basically change the clock face, the display, and much more. Now I'm still very confused on what to do. And then I realized that this is the different paths of the home face. So when you can swipe right, not all the way, but just a tiny bit, and it'll show you different cool things that's going on. My wifey, so I know I'll get a text back, nigga. 45 on my white tee, used to have this shit up on the dash, nigga. Got a lot on my psyche, on my mind, I ain't talking ass, nigga. Like I said on that Syfy, when I train, I tend to overlap, nigga. Now, once we are done reading this cool thing, I'm going to go on my phone and see what I can do from the Alexa app to connect to it. So here on the Alexa app, we have the basis of the Alexa app, and then I'm going to go look at my devices, and I can see that it is already set up, which is very good, very smooth for Amazon. Thank you, Amazon, for that. Here's my Echo Show. I can change the volume if I want to, audio settings, free time, do not disturb, so much more. And that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have any more questions.